Hi guys, this is my first YouTube video. I was going to give some background, but I'm a little bit short on time and I really want to get this box open. So I decided that I was going to jump down the rabbit hole of Pacific Northwest boots because my feet have been starting to hurt me a lot more recently, and I've developed plantar fasciitis. And I decided that I should worry a little bit more about support. And this is my first try-on pair of Franks. I measured myself, took a look at the measurements, learned that I was actually a size 10 on the right and a 10.5 on the left, which I think is somewhat common, maybe not, but it didn't surprise me too much. Most of the shoes that I have are 10s and a little bit tight. I've got a couple of 10.5s that do okay, and I've got a couple of 11s, so I guess I went a little bit too far. But you know, talking with Junior, we decided that my 10.5 would be might be a 8.5 double E. I did measure myself to B and E. I've never bought an E. I've always bought D's. So I guess that was kind of another problem I've been having with shoes. But yeah, a 10.5 is maybe going to be an 8.5. Man, these things are pretty. So this is a 8.5 double E, rough cut on the bottom, smooth on the top. It's a T1. I'm looking for the 10.2. Personally, I don't need the thicker sole, but you know, they're try-on boots. So tongues. Laces. Man, just really nice boots. I guess I thought that maybe the laces might have been laced up just a little bit, so I'm gonna stop the video now and start it back up with them laced up a little bit and some first impressions. Thank you.